welcome to the quick guide on how to download Discord on your Android device, the go-to communication platform for gamers and communities. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your Android device and open Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Discord and press enter. Look at the Discord app from the search result and tap on it to open its store page, or you could directly press install. On this Discord store page, tap on install button. Wait for the download and the installation to complete. The speed may vary depending on your internet connection. For me, my internet connection is not that good, so it will take some time. I'm gonna skip this part and get back once the installation is complete. Here my Discord has finally been downloaded and it's in its installing process. Once the installation is complete, tap on open button or continue button to launch the Discord app. Now you can join servers, chat with friends, and stay connected wherever you go. Happy chatting!